All right, so here we have, essentially, if you remember our base 10 blocks, this was our hundreds sheet. If you remember, we had 10 going all the way down on each of those, so that'd be worth 10, 20, 30. We're gonna pretend that the whole brick is our whole. So this whole entire thing, all the way around, that's our whole. So if I have just this one here, I have 1 and 100th. Next, I would have 2 and 100th. What would come next? Okay, let's have the boys. What would come next? Oh, boys, let's try that again. You're going to shout that out loud. What comes next? 3 and 100. All right, ladies, what comes next? How come the girls are so much better at shouting that out? Good job. 4 100ths. Now, that would go all the way down, and we know all the way across it, we would end this row at 10 100ths. And at the very, very end, we would get all the way to 11 hundredths, or excuse me, 100 hundredths, which would be the whole. So remember, these are our hundredths. 1 and 100th, whatever we come up with, it would be in the hundredths. So now, what I want you to do, I'm going to give you a problem. You're going to see this there, and I want you to come up with something that, and to look at this, I want you to think of this one plus this one equals, and I want you to find something that equals if all of these were filled in. So come up with an equation, and what we're doing is we're just decomposing this so that this plus this equals 100. Good luck.